What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today we are in the GTS and we're back here at Daniel's house once again. The homie Brian M3 flight is here with his G80 M3 and he's gonna be getting, I believe, a brand new diffuser for his G80 M3. Carbon fiber. I think it's gonna be like a super aggressive diffuser. So he came to the best place to come get it installed, which is Daniel's house. So big shout out to the homie Daniel. As you can see, the house is already loaded up with M's. We have this beautiful Alpine White F82 M4. I think they're gonna be doing the injectors on this car. I think it was misfiring. Same problem as Nick. So he's gonna be getting new injectors. And then as we come into the garage, we've got Daniel's F82 M4 Austin Yellow, super clean. And then we got the homie Brian M3 flight with his G80 M3. What's up, bro? How are you? Chilling? Good.
How you doing?
Good, good. Chilling. What's up, Daniel?
Hey, my feel so.
What's going on?
How's it going, Rich?
Rich, what's good? How are you?
Sure.
Everything good? On the HREs, Rich. Rich.
Super rich.
Bro, this thing is so nice. With buckets. Look at the steering wheel.
Dude,
damn.
You know, I saw the buckets on this one, right?
Shit is nice. Guys, I remember when I first vlogged this G80, he had the comfort seats. But, bro, he bought bucket seats.
Major upgrade.
Holy shit, bro. Do you know how expensive that is? Bro, and Daniel installed the bucket seats on this car. Holy crap, bro.
Came out really.
That's what I was confused on. I was like, wait, I remember when I first vlogged it, he had comfort seats. And then he went and he upgraded to bucket seats, guys. No way. That is crazy. I like this. This is cool. This little M cover up here on the, like where the button unlocks. That's sick. Bro, that is crazy. And he's on HREs. Interior is sick. I love the steering wheel. Full Alcantara steering wheel. And as we come to the front, he's got, of course, the carbon roof. He's got the laser headlights with the yellow DRLs. Carbon lip. Look at that, all up in the front. And the grill. Oh my gosh, guys. Bro, I haven't seen this G80 in forever. Look at the yellow DRLs. That's fire, bro. I'm still tripping out on how he upgraded the seats. Guys, those seats are so expensive. As you can see, all of the back is Alcantara. But the front too, all up in here, look at that. Bro, what a sick build. That's crazy. These HREs are so nice with the white. They complement the car so well. And carbon diffuser. Wait, what is he getting done today?
He's getting one of the first mods out there that's out. So he's getting this vent with the digital gauge information on there. So
oh shit.
Water temp down.
Oh, so you replaced the AC vent with this. Yeah. That's crazy. I think people like done that with the superchargers.
Yeah, the what is it, Avron? Or
Aron gauge or something like that. Yeah, Jason has this on his like I'm not the same one, but
on the E92.
Yeah, the E92. Yeah, he replaced the air vent with this, and it tells him his temp gauge and all that.
They have it for the F80, so now we're doing it on his G80. So,
bro.
Yeah, so guys, make sure to check out the install video. We're getting that done.
Bro.
We're gonna drop it maybe in a day or two. Maybe tomorrow. I do have a video out for tomorrow, but we might just prioritize this for tomorrow.
Vlogmas going strong?
Yep, there you go. Gotta keep
I saw you dropped one today too. The one from yesterday. You're on it.
I did. I had to.
Jeez.
Trying to keep up.
Daniel's on it, but look, M3 flight plate, M3 competition badge. Spoiler, gloss black.
Super clean.
Yeah, this is super nice. So, oh damn, even the latch here?
Oh, my bad.
Bro, that's crazy.
Damn.
Oh my god, bro. Dude. Even the trunk little latch is... That's crazy. Let's check out the engine bay though. Damn. Bro, big flex. That's rich. Look at that. All the Downstar hardware, inventory intakes, carbon cover up here, all the black line caps in red. Oh my gosh, guys. That's gotta be one of the craziest G80s. That is insane. Yeah, so this steering wheel is off like the M4 CSL steering wheel. Got the carbon in the middle. Guys, man, these interiors are just so freaking nice. As you guys seen in the previous vlogs of Beamer Fams, crazy. Look, you got the 50th anniversary emblems on there. So freaking nice. Bro, Daniel, this Alcantara steering wheel, you gotta do it. That shit is fire. Off the M4 CSL.
He's gonna make me spend another $5.
I know. That's crazy. I like this diffuser too. Carbon diffuser. Guys, Look at the rotors. What do they call this design? I forget. Slit?
Slot,
yeah. That shit's crazy. These HREs are fire too. Look at this angle, guys, right here. Damn. So freaking nice, dude. I'm telling you, if you was to do a tune or like downpipe full bolt on this thing, it'd be so freaking fast. They're already fast as they are, but imagine with the tune and the downpipe on this thing, it'd be insane, bro. Brian is saying, guys, that this car is better than the E92 M3. And that if I were to get rid of one, that it should be the E92 M3, because this is better, will hold more value than the E92, which he's probably right, honestly. And then he's like, just pick up a G80. So maybe a G80 M3, like a CS, would be pretty sick, or the M4 CSL. But I think I like the G80 better, just because he's got the 4 doors and it's wider. It just looks kind of better, I think. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Damn, that's pretty sick, bro. For the phone? Oh shit, look how much zoomed in it is. Damn, that's gangster. I like that.
Need cash, right?
Oh, tip.
Hold on.
Thank you, Daniel.
Sheesh. Tenemos hambre.
Oh, no, pues yes, no,
Los pizzas y los wings. Damn. Let's see what we got. Because I know we got some different style pizzas over here. But it's in the fridge right there. Brian. We about to eat good. Fire. And we got the wings. Oh, you know what? He forgot to give us the sauce.
Yeah, the ranchy.
Damn, and the hot. Oh no, it's here. And the ranch is right here too. Let's see, geez. We're about to eat good right now. You guys want some? Which one do you guys want? This one? Or you guys want this one? Here, you guys want some? Oh, I know that was good. Here, take this one too. Look at that, guys. It's already installed. It's pretty cool. It's pretty sleek. So I think Dan is gonna go ahead and power on the car, and then see if it turns on and stuff like that.
So I'm gonna go ahead and run a quick test. I'm just gonna go ahead and power the ignition. Boom. We got our display. I think that's it. It works. So now at this point is where we start doing our customization. As you guys see right there, it's gonna have us choose what engine we have in this vehicle. Let me go ahead and grab the instruction sheet, and then I'll pick this up in just a bit.
Basically, this is what we have in our steering wheels,
It is.
right?
Yeah.
That's pretty dope. But damn, you lose air conditioning.
You do. You lose the vent.
Damn.
You keep the lighting,
Yeah.
but you lose the vent.
Oh, good thing it's cold times right now,
Right?
so you don't really need the AC. I just noticed this. Look at this, guys. M3 competition. Little plaque on the windshield. Look who else pulled up on us, guys. The homie Nikon. Frozen white M8 Grand Coupe with the intakes. Look at that behind the grills. Sheesh. He was telling me that I should do this bar in like acid orange. See that bar back there? For the GTS. I think it'd be pretty cool. What do you guys think? Carbon ceramics. You guys seen this on the vlogs a bunch of times. But still gotta post it and film it because it is a clean car. Super nice. Sheesh. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.